Internet radio and compression formats like MP3 actually cut out some data that presumably does not have a great impact on our hearing. But in fact, data compression has a big effect on the quality of the sound we hear. Frequency response varies according to the bit rate of the data compression, causing large differences in the bandwidth depending on the many internet radio compression formats and bit rates used by radio stations. The solution is Auto Sound Retriever technology. The bit rate is automatically determined, as the data lost during compression is interpolated, resulting in a broad bandwidth equal to that of a CD. Auto Sound Retriever is also compatible with multi-channel audio. Compressed sound sources in Dolby Digital, DTS and other multi-channel formats can be enjoyed with higher sound quality. Data lost from all channels during compression is interpolated. The sound quality of sources that are highly compressed or transmitted with low bit rates is greatly enhanced, so you enjoy natural and dynamic multi-channel reproduction.